5 4 and 5 on 4 exams also. Koa is also an AP Scholar with honor for taking 4 AP exams and earning the top score of a 5 on all 4 exams.
Junior Jason Chang earned his 36 out of 36, the highest composite score on the ACT, College Admissions and Placement Exam. Less than 1/10 of 1% of all test takers earned this top score.
Seniors Thomas Height and Karima Torres received an all-expense-paid summer academic and residential program at UH.
Seniors Kyla Hagedorn and Samantha Kawamoto earned the Hawaii Pacific University Ohana Merit Scholarship.
Senior Natasha Comer received the State Advertiser 2012 Citizenship Award, in which she received $1,000.
Senior Jason Cisneros was awarded a $1,000 long-drug scholarship for a student who will be studying business in college.
Senior Marielle Sanders received a $2,000 scholarship from Kulan's Shop for Higher Education.
Senior Jay Chun won a total of $7,000 as a recipient of the President's Volunteer Service Award, a Burger King Scholarship, a Hawaii Rotary Youth Foundation Scholar, and the Mamoru and Aiko Takatani Scholarship.
Senior Sarah A. Manaka won the UH at Manoa Chancellor Scholarship and will receive $8,000 a year for her UH education.
Senior Brandon Mercury won the University of Hawaii Regents Scholarship, which provides to recipients with a full tuition waiver for 4 years of undergraduate study.
Senior Joanna Gordon is the recipient of the University of Wisconsin First Wave Scholarship, which provides her with a 4-year full tuition scholarship that is only given out to 15 students.
Congratulations, scholars, and keep up the great work. At this time,